So we've got the integral of sin² x cosine³ x dx, and this one's fairly straightforward. What we need to recognize first is that cosine² x equals 1 minus sin² x. So this can be rewritten as the integral really as sin² x cosine² x cosine x dx. And this is kind of the trick to this question, is being able to split that cosine cubed up into two different parts, because that allows you to see that you can now write it as sin² x times 1 minus sin² x cosine x dx. And once we're here, now we can set u equal to sin x, du equal to cosine x, and that cracks the whole problem wide open. Now we've got the integral of u² times 1 minus u² du, because cosine dx, cosine dx. And now we can just simplify this. We can say the integral of u² minus u to the 4th power du. And this is a really easy integral. We can just go ahead and say this is u cubed over 3 minus u to the 5th power over 5 plus c. Remember that u is sine x, so this is just sine cubed x over 3 minus sine to the 5th power x over 5 plus c. And that is the solution to this integral. If you have any other questions, or if you've got any calculus or physics problems you want me to work through, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this helpful.